Hello and welcome to my PSPice channel in YouTube, PSPice Tips. Today I'm going to show how it is possible in PSPice to work with directives. It means that I define my simulation profile, my simulation analysis directly here in my schematic in order to see the whole information in the same window. In order to give this, what we have to do, the first thing is to define absolutely a new simulation profile. I have already done it. Just define a simulation with a name, that's all. And then we have to define our directives using a text file. It's so simple. You click on place text, and then you write this syntax at PSPice doppelpunkt, and then you click on please Ctrl plus Enter to start a new line, and then you write the different directives. Your question could be, how do I know which directives to use, syntax, etc. If you click on the help documentation, Windows pops up like this. You click here, and then under PSPice reference guides, PSPice reference guide, making double click, you click here in PDF, and then you click on commands, and here you can see different directives. Let's say, for example, plot, and you have here plot, a different syntax, a description, what you can do, etc., etc. In that way you can do what you can see here. In this case we want to analyze the frequency response analysis of this circuit, and for that I'm going to do a parameterized simulation in the time. So I'm going to do a transient analysis from 0 to this time with a maximum step size of 20 microseconds. Then I'm going to vary this parameter in this area, and then I'm going to define different simulation points at least. Yeah. So in order, I'm not going to simulate directly because it takes a little bit time. That's why I'm just going to show the results, and you can see here the results where we have in the time different results depending on the frequency parameter I have varied. And so it's like how you can use directives directly in PSPice. I hope it helps, that you enjoy, and a lot of luck in your future designs. Bye bye, and don't forget to click on like and to register in my channel. Thank you.